Must be Carl.
Yes, hi. I
Nice to
can't
meet you.
believe I'm finally meeting you. Your choreography has been such an inspiration these past couple of years. And I'm actually working on some choreography myself, and I was wondering if you would look at my solo.
Of course. How about we meet here tonight, say 6 o'clock if you're free, and
Yeah.
I can see your solo.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sorry I'm late. How are you doing?
Good.
I'll just watch you from over here. I might start and stop as you go. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Wow. You came a long way working only an hour today.
Thanks.
So I was thinking maybe later tonight you could come over to my place to talk about your dance career.
Are you sure? I don't want to impose.
I insist. Please.
Thanks. Well, thank you so much for all of this.
Hey,
All of your
anytime.
help. Thanks. And I'll see you tonight, I guess.
Yeah, see you tonight. Wow, you look stunning. Come on in. Yeah, sorry about the mess. It's been a crazy week with the dance show and everything.
Oh, that's okay. I don't mind.
Have a seat, make yourself at home.
So, whose place is this?
Just an old friend of mine's letting me crash for the week.
I just wanted to thank you again for everything.
Anytime.
Also, I was wondering if you think I have what it takes to be in a professional dance company.
Yeah, for sure. You're natural on the stage.
So, tell me about yourself.
After I get another beer. So, where were we?
You were telling me about yourself.
Yeah, so after college, I moved to LA and I became an understudy for a company out there. You know, it's all about the connections, right? Meeting the right people. It can do wonders for your career. Don't you want that?
Eli,
But let me tell you something. If you want to make it in this industry, you have to make sacrifices for your career. Especially a young woman like yourself. You need me.
Eli,
You have no idea who you're messing with.
you're sick. You need help. Eli, stop.
Hey. really think you're gonna make it in this industry? I mean, look at yourself. Nobody wants you.